Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I'm gonna render pork fat to get a lard because you know the lard is very good for your health. It's easy to digest and it's high heat stability. And I just bought it. Now I'm gonna wash it with water and then I add some salt. I rub it. Then I will blend it briefly in boiling water to clean it. So let's wait for the water boil. And then you can put it in. The water boiled ready. So now I will blend it in. We have to clean the pork fat before we render it. Okay, that's okay. Now I will get it out and drain well. Okay, now I get it out, drain well. Now I will cut it into small and even pieces. I finished cutting the fat into small pieces. I turn on for the medium heat. I will put the small piece of pork fat here in the pan. Then we add a little of salt. And a little bit of water. Just a little bit. We put those in order that we can avoid oil splatter during rendering. While we're waiting for the pork become hot, we will get some garlic and shallot for later. We should stir continuously until all the pieces here melted. and become crackling. If you enjoyed that video, please hit the subscribe button and follow for more tips. I will be very thankful and happy for that. Now we will crush the shallot and garlic and put them into the pan. It will give us more aroma. Okay, now I put them in. Wow, the smell is very good. This is a very simple way I usually do to make the lard for family to use. So if you have another way or any way to do it, please share and comment to let me know. If you like to try on some tips for other topics, please leave a comment to let me know. Thank you. Okay, so now you see the cracklings turn golden, and also the shallot and the garlic. So I will turn off. Now I will get the crackling out, and I put the lard into a glass jar I prepared for. For the cracklings here, it's very delicious, so we can put it in a box for later use for other dishes. Now I let it cool and then store in fridge for later use. I don't make too much at the same time. I just make enough for my family to use within 2 weeks. Thanks for watching my video. Please remember to subscribe and follow me for more video. Thank you.